Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Team Fortress 2 on piano. To begin, focus on the main theme. This instantly recognizable melody is a fantastic starting point for any aspiring player. Concentrate on getting the right hand notes accurate before adding the left hand. Pay close attention to the rhythm. The unique timing is crucial for making it sound authentic. Even a few minutes of focused practice can make a big difference in your progress. The Team Fortress 2 main theme uses a memorable sequence of notes, often centered around E, G, B-flat, and A. The rhythm is key, with distinct 3-count and 2-count sections that give it its signature feel. Once your right hand is comfortable, introduce the left hand. You can play simple octaves or basic chords to provide a strong harmonic foundation, making the piece sound much more complete and powerful on the piano. Once you have a good grasp of the main theme, consider exploring other beloved Team Fortress 2 tracks. Songs like Right Behind You and Soldier of Dance offer new challenges and musical styles. When playing, remember to use dynamic contrast, varying your volume to add expression. This makes the music much more engaging. Practicing hand independence will also allow you to tackle more intricate arrangements with greater ease. To aid your learning, many online tutorials and sheet music resources are available for Team Fortress 2 music. Start with easier arrangements to build confidence, then gradually move to more complex versions as your skills grow. Remember, consistency is more important than duration. Practicing for just 15 minutes each day can lead to remarkable improvements over time. Enjoy the process of bringing these iconic tunes to life on your piano.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.